All right, what is up, chat? I went live once already, and this is my second time because it it just didn't work. I got my new headphones on, and I am just testing. All right, I'm not too sure how the audio is on this. Wow, I have to be pretty articulate and pretty clear to make my audio pop. Yeah, this is not the best audio. I'm not really a fan of this audio. Anyways, I think I will continue to work with this for now. Let me see if I can use my phone's audio. Just make it a little bit better. Audio in, change it to iPhone.
Alright, I've made the transition to my mobile phone right here. See if the audio is better. Holy, that is an insane difference. That is a huge difference, massive difference. Yep, we're gonna run with it. Alright, we're gonna run with this. I'm gonna run with this. I'm just gonna use this audio. Okay, to repeat, I've been pretty tired this week. I don't know why. I have had to rest a lot. Maybe because last week I just went quite heavy with life. There was just a lot of going on. And this week's been a little bit tired. By the way, check out these Chardikala shirts now available on Tazlak's website. Links in the description. Amazing. What's Chardikala mean? Chardikala means high spirits, if you don't know. And so whenever somebody asks you, how's your day? Always answer high spirits, amazing, wonderful, fantastic. It is the best. Because whatever you say becomes your reality. And so you always want to say that your day is the amazing day, the best day. All right, and that's what Chardikala means. Chardikala means high spirits. And so you are in Chardikala always, no matter if you're inside not feeling that well, not feeling too good about life and your situation and whatnot. It does not matter, because whatever you say becomes your reality. And so always say Chardikala. Anyways, this is a repeat because I've already done my analysis today. I've already done my charts today. The stream just didn't work for some reason, so I'm having to redo this. But let's just get right into it. It's very quick, very simple. Nothing much to it. All right, let's go. So, Swiss franc yen. I am liking this. This is playing out just how I've kind of anticipated or have been looking for. So now it's broken up. Okay, we're up at these new highs, and then now I just want to see some sort of retest here, and I will place a buy limit right here after the stream. We are in Aussie CAD, and Aussie CAD so far so good. It is just working, and I am just leaving it be. This is it. There's nothing else to it. It is just doing its thing. I'm just gonna let it keep doing its thing. EuroCAD, same story. Inside this major supply area, I've sold it, still holding this position, still in here. And yep, again, just letting it be, nothing to do here. And then Aussie dollar is still doing its thing, just and I have a buy limit down here, which is just waiting for this. And so nothing to do here also. In terms of the watch list, copper is one of those where this is the reasons why I wasn't really quick to sell this. Just one of those. But yeah, nothing really happening here. Copper just kind of pulling back. It's had a sharp decline here, and it's just pulling back, nothing much here. CAD franc continues to weaken, nothing really here. This was the setup that I was looking for, never really played out, nothing to do. This one's an interesting one here. I was looking for these longs, but right now it is not really playing that, so maybe down, it's making this downside move, maybe buy limits down here to go back up there, but I'm not too sure with this one. We'll just see tomorrow what the updated price is. Same story here. This one looks pretty good. I do like the buy sell limit here, although I can just wait. I'm not going to place the sell limit right here right now, but I'll wait, see what's up, maybe into tomorrow, place the sell limits, or maybe even next week, who knows. What else do we have? Pound, CAD, nothing here really. I wanted to buy down here. It's no longer the trade. I don't think this is the trade anymore. That's done. And then we have this one, Aussie New Zealand, which is basically played out exactly how I've wanted it to. Oh, I might add a short into this. I'm really considering adding shorts. Really considering just going market execution short here. But yeah, you know what? I am gonna wait for it. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna wait for it, and maybe into tomorrow get a cleaner entry, a tighter stop. If I can get a tighter stop, that would be nice. That's what I'm looking for. So if tomorrow price could make some sort of a structure here, then I can get a tighter stop, and target's probably up here, honestly. Target's got to be, you know what, target's got to be something like this, somewhere here, or even up here. These are the target levels that I have to go with, because it is an uptrend overall, and I don't want to be selling this hard. So yeah, probably something like somewhere here, a tighter stop, something like that. That's more ideal for me, and I'll look back at it tomorrow. So these two are the top priorities, and right now I'm just gonna place a buy limit on this. That's the only thing I'm gonna do. I'm gonna let this keep playing, not touching this, doing nothing with this. I'm gonna let this keep playing, nothing to do with this, and then I have a buy limit here. Alright, that is it for today's market recap, and that's all that's happening on my portfolio and stuff as well. Thank you, chat. Stay in Chardikala, because that's the only way to live, in Chardikala, and I will see you on tomorrow's stream. And just know that I am working behind the scenes on future content for the channel. I just need to find a direction. I need to get that angle correct, and that's what I'm sorting out right now, and it's taking a lot of brain power. Perhaps that's what's making me tired. Alright, that's about it for me. Nice and easy, quick one. See you on tomorrow's market recap. Boom, bye.